In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your deposit history on Robinhood, whether you're using the app on your phone or logging in from your computer. Knowing how to keep track of your deposits is an essential part of managing your investments and making sure your account is up to date. So, let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step to make this process as simple as possible. First, let's begin with logging in. If you're on your computer, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Robinhood website. Enter your login details as you usually would, making sure everything is accurate for a smooth sign-in. If you prefer to use the app, just tap the Robinhood icon on your mobile device and enter your credentials. Remember to double-check your login information. Robinhood may ask you to complete a quick security check, especially if you're logging in from a new device. Once you're in, the next thing you want to do is locate your account icon. On the app, this icon is typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you're using the desktop version on your PC, look to the top right corner. Go ahead and click or tap on that account icon. This will open up a new menu that gives you a range of options related to your account activities. Now, to find your deposit history, you'll want to look for the section labeled either History or Statements and History. The exact name might differ just slightly, depending on whether you're using the app or the desktop site, and even which version of the app you have. Don't worry if you see one or the other. They both lead you to your transaction records. Tap or click on this option to proceed. Inside the History or Statements and History section, you should now see a list of your most recent account activities. To specifically find deposits you've made, direct your attention to the section labeled Deposits, or sometimes Transfers. This portion compiles all the money you've transferred into your Robinhood account. Here, you'll be able to view a detailed history listing every deposit, complete with the dates and amounts for each transaction. Browsing through this list is a great way to confirm that all your funds have been successfully added and to keep tabs on your financial activity within Robinhood. If you need more specifics or records for reporting purposes, remember that you can also download account statements directly from this page. And that's it. Checking your deposit history on Robinhood is really that straightforward. By following these steps, you'll always know when and how much you've deposited, giving you greater control and peace of mind as you manage your investments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your Robinhood experience even smoother.